So people have probably heard of P&L, P&L, profit and loss, BS, balance sheet. So your profit and loss is, as I explain it, that profit and loss is a snapshot of where you are as a business. So your profit and loss is a summary of either your month, your quarter, your year, of what you've brought in, i.e. turnover, income, sales. It will show you your gross profit, gross margin. So it will show you everything that you've spent to get to that point.
It'll pretty much break down that last diagram into the headings that we've already mentioned.
Basically. You can have really short profit and losses, you can have big ones. It just depends what you want to be able to analyse in your own business. So everyone has different ways of analysing where their costs are going, and it's a really good way of keeping track each month of what you are spending. So that if you're not making the profit, you think you can start thinking about, where can I make the cuts, or where can I spend more money, and things like that. The balance sheet is the summary of exactly the health of your business, which I'm sure people watching today will understand that. So the balance...
Well, possibly. It took me a while to understand what the hell it was telling me.
So the balance sheet is the summary of everything. So if you were selling a business, people would look at your profit and loss to get an idea of how you do generally. What kind of sales are you doing? What's it costing you to run your business? But your balance sheet is what your business is worth. So if you wanted to sell your business, people would look at that, because on your balance sheet you've got your assets. So your assets could be a building, it could be motor vehicles, it could be equipment, for example, depending on the value of that equipment. It shows your liabilities. Who do you owe? What do you owe? So it's generally how healthy your business is at any given time.